Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm at Mateo Matthew on channel. What we're gonna be doing is playing with the slime in the car. So I'm gonna open the slime up again. I just put it away because we got to IHOP. Now you're ready. So let me open. The slime is so cool. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm right here. I already have my slime open. Let me start it. Okay, so let's start. Put down here so you can see how it's playing. So yeah, okay, so I have it right here. Okay guys, so I have it right here now, and just let me try to make a bubble. Okay. I just put it right here because I don't want my pants to get dirty. So cool. Okay, I'll close it. Let me put it away. Okay guys, okay, now I have this slimes, little slimes are mixed and all. I didn't do the video because I didn't want to. Okay, so let's start. Let me put this water here. Okay guys, so I have it right here. We'll make a big one. It's fluffy. Okay, so okay guys, I have it here. That's so cool. Let me try to make a bubble too.